3 essential special needs parenting tips for early infant development. Number 1, forget baby dictated development. You need to help your baby now, and you want to get them on the timeline of time dictated development. You're going to see tons of developmental charts, and they all are giving you development based off of baby dictated indicators. And do you want to know what? Development's getting worse for kids. You need a true baseline that's time dictated development. You want to see what that is? You want to see Michelle Turner's milestone momentum milestone charts. That is time dictated development. It lets you know when development should be happening on its own and your baby should just be going. If you are at all ever concerned about your baby's development, okay, like your child is not on time dictated development and you need to help your baby now. Number 2, drop the wait and see attitude that everyone is giving you. Everyone's trying to tell you, just let your baby be a baby. Like, just every baby develops differently. Like, just give your baby time. They'll figure things out. And then with all the worry and the concern that you have 2 years, 3 years down the road, could even be 7 years, 10 years, your child gets a diagnosis and you're devastated and you're like, I should have done more because I saw the signs. And like, don't have this false sense of security of everyone being like, oh, your baby's gonna be okay. Oh, your baby's gonna be okay. If you're worried, do something about it. And that's number 3. If you're worried, do something about it. Act as if the diagnosis has already happened and do everything you can to have early intervention. Like, that is that's the best piece of advice that I can give you. And if you're waiting for someone to tell you what to do to help your baby, unless you're watching this video, no one's going to tell you what to do. Everyone's going to be like, yeah, just, let them try and figure out development. And then when 3 months go by, 6 months go by, it's like, okay, you have to still give them a little bit more time. It's not till your child is into their toddler years that you're really going to be taken serious to help your child. Now, if you have severe special needs, like, okay, you're going to get help. But when you're on that borderline and then, you're worried about autism or ADD or cerebral palsy or things like that, like your baby had birth trauma, but no one's doing anything, but you feel like your child has special needs, like do something now. Act like they have an issue now, and then there's no regrets later. Because best case, you find out later they're fine. And so everything that you would have done would have just helped their development, will help them have excelled more. But if you're just gonna just hope that something happens, that your baby will be okay, you're kicking yourself. You're gonna be kicking yourself later. Don't wait for development. So those are the 3 tips. Forget baby dictated development. Drop the wait and see attitude and do something now. We have a free resource, an in-time baby development resource toolbox. You want to get that? That will be here at the end of the video. Like, get into that program. It's free. Like, just start understanding time dictated development and what you can do to influence that. Your baby, no matter how severe the special needs is, does not have to go without the experiences of development. They can still get time dictated development without milestone performances, and that is the beauty of what Movement Lesson has to offer you. Thanks. Like and subscribe.